Do you like to share what you snack and get paid? Well, this video will show you how to get rewarded for it. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get paid for sharing what you are going to snack. So what are you waiting for? Just watch this video and learn how to start earning today. First, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can learn the latest ways to make money online. Now let's get started. So, you're looking for a new way to make some extra cash? Well, this might just be it. You can get paid to share your favorite snack. You won't believe how easy it is. Using a free app called StreetBees. StreetBees has exciting and creative ways to make money. StreetBees offers monetary rewards for answering questions about your activity. That sounds wonderful and simple, right? Share moments of your everyday lives and get paid up to $5 each time you do it, from hobbies to what you snack on, to the technology you use. You can share as much or as little as you like, you're in complete control. To get started, just download the app, create an account and become a bee. Take a look at the stories available to you. A story is what they call surveys because that's what they are. You will need to create a few short video clips in order to complete some of the assignments. This is for the purpose of gathering information on the manner in which you carry out specific aspects of your life. It's possible, for instance, that you could capture anything while you're washing dishes. Alternatively, you may record a little video while you are preparing the tea or food. Some other tasks are paid surveys. Simply answering questions about a topic and sharing your thoughts and experiences. StreetBees surveys are chat style and brief, making them speedier than other paid survey sites. Completing a story usually takes between 2 to 5 minutes, involving anything from quick opinion polls to fun photo and video responses. And don't forget, depending on the story, you could get paid up to $5 or even be entered into a prize draw. Payment is sent straight to your PayPal account. You may also get money by becoming a StreetBees ambassador. A StreetBees ambassador promotes the platform in your nation. It's perfect for social media users who can influence others and have 2 to 3 hours a week to conduct this activity. Spread the word about StreetBees by inviting friends and family to join. Help conduct social media campaigns in your nation. When a guest completes a task, you are compensated. Your pay depends on your country and work. Ambassadors apply on StreetBees website. So if you enjoy StreetBees and want to make a little money marketing it, apply for this. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.